This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. This elegantly designed custom-built ground-level home was created by local architect Glenn Gray. Boasting a spacious open floor plan at 3,056 square feet. 2 master bedrooms with ensuite baths, 3rd bedroom, full bath and a half, and office all on 1st floor. Up the flight of stairs leads to a huge open loft space for a 4th bedroom/bunk room, theatre room, art room or whatever your needs. Professionally designed lush landscaping with sod and sprinkler system including mango, sapodilla, banana and kumquat. A 2,500-gallon system can be used for landscaping, boat washing and more. 100 of concrete dock and seawall, 16,000 boat lift, heated pool plus jacuzzi with fully screened pool enclosure, updated kitchen and baths with granite countertops and full backsplash, soft close cherry cabinets, interior plantation shutters. Cudjoe Gardens homeowner website, https://cudjoegardens.org for more information. Review the details below.